Hi everyone, I am Fawad and today I'm going to tell you about least common multiple. Guys, least common multiple we will find out, but before we will focus on this word, what is a multiple? So guys, multiple are actually those numbers which comes after the multiplication of two numbers. So we have two given numbers, 5 and 15, and I have to find out the least common multiples. So to find out the least common multiple, always remember we have two methods. I will do the first method first and later on second, and after that it's up to you which method you like. You can choose and use for your given numbers. So guys, method number one, I'll say m number one. So guys, method number one, actually I'll write here a 5 and here 15. You have to write here some multiples of 5. For this you must know the timetables of 5. So guys, 5 times 1 is 5, the first multiple, times 2 10, times 3 15, times 4 20, and you can put 3 dots which shows the continuity that the timetable is continuing. But don't go for so many numbers, because guys, we have to find the least common multiple, so we don't need so many multiples. Now we have this next number which is 15. Make the multiples of that. So 15 times 1 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30, and 15 times 3 is 45. I have to stop till here, and you can put the 3 dots which shows the continuity, which shows the continuation. Now guys, here you can see these are the multiples of 5, these are the multiples of 15, and out of these multiples, which is the least common multiple? So as you can see, this 15 and this 15 is the least common multiple. So you just write here LCM, the least common multiple, is equals to 15. So this is the answer. Guys, this is the method number one, and we have a second method to find the least common multiple. So let's go with that. So method number 2. Guys, for the method number 2, actually you have to write here 5 and 15, and here you will use equal sign. What I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to find out the prime factors of 5 and the prime factors of 15. For that purpose, I'm going to use the cross lines. This is the normal way I actually use to find the prime factors of each number. So I have a 5. So 5 cannot divisible by 2, cannot by 3, cannot by 4. It will go with only by 5, because 5 itself is a prime number. So 5 times 1 is 5. So I have only two factors here. Two prime factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So I put the multiplication sign so that my equation goes true. So 1 times 5 is 5. So 15, guys. Now I'll find out the prime factors of 15. So I will start with not with 2, not with 3, 4, although I go with 5. So 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 1 is 3. So guys, in this way I will get my prime factors. I will put these factors here in the ascending order. So 1 times 3 times 5. So guys, after getting your prime factors of each number, what is the method to find the LCM with this way? Guys, 1 is common, you can encircle it. 5 is common, you can circle it. Now copy these common numbers down. So 1 times 5. What about this 3? While calculating the LCM, you have to copy down your common numbers as well as your uncommon numbers. So which is 3 as well. So guys, here 5 times 3 is 15, times 1 is 15. So guys, you can see with the method number 1 I have the LCM 15. With the method number 2 also I have the LCM 15. And this is all about of LCM. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. You can put your comments also over there. Guys, with these methods I just use 2 numbers, but you can use 3 numbers, 4, whatever the numbers are given to you. Same methods you can apply to find the LCM. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel and like the video too. See you again with a new video.